Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we will show you how to earn money with Leads Leap Coup by Viral Mailers. In first part of video we will talk about Viral Mailers and then show you how to earn buck with Leads Leap Coup by Viral Mailers. If you are ready for our Leads Leap journey, let's diving in. Before diving into Leads Leap world, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our Smart AI affiliate channel. Then you may not miss any videos like this. If you have interest but still don't have access to Leads Leap, you can grab your Leads Leap account in the link description below. Friends, don't you remember we show you how to earn money with Leads Leap Coup by Traffic Exchange in previous video? This time we will do the similar but with different tool. It is Viral Mailer. Both Traffic Exchange and Viral Mailer are free traffic source. Don't underestimate the power of free traffic source. If you have good marketing strategy, you still can get leads and sales from free traffic source. If you don't have experience on Viral Mailer, then this video is for you also. Then what is Viral Mailer? The concept of Viral Mailer is similar to Traffic Exchange. In general, Viral Mailer is a membership site that members can share their websites as well as other business opportunities with other members within Viral Mailer website. Traffic Exchange website is a large rotator which display all members' websites in rotation. One way Viral Mailer provides a platform that members can send emails to other members with URL. On the other way, you can open other members' Viral Mailer emails by clicking on the credit link. Once the timer counts down, you can earn credits by clicking the icon which matches the icon showing on the left. Then you can use the earned credits to sending mailing to other members. Even Viral Mailer has more features than just sending mailings. But our focus today is on mailing. Don't worry, we will have another videos to discuss different Viral Mailers in our channel. Stay tuned, then you will learn more about Viral Mailers. We know what is Viral Mailer now. But how we can send mails with Viral Mailer? We will show you some examples of Viral Mailers, then you can get more visual understanding what is Viral Mailer. In fact, there are lots of Viral Mailers in the market. So it is impossible for us to show all in this video. But once you are familiar with some Viral Mailers, then you can work on others Viral Mailers as well without difficulties. Friends, if you are new to our channel and want to know more about Viral Mailers, you can watch back our Viral Mailer series. Then you can learn more about it. The first example we want to show you is our team-owned Viral Mailer. It is called Viral Fox Ads. Do you love Fox? Fox is agile and fast and efficient. So same as our Viral Mailer. Within Viral Fox Ads we can do many marketing tasks, but our focus is sending mailings. If you want to send mailings to other members, we simply click on Send Mailing. Under our Viral Mailer you need to prepare 3 stuffs. They are message subject, message body and site URL. When you are ready, you can either enter manually or copy and paste to avoid any errors. Also, you are allowed to send the same email once again by Viral Mailer resend feature. But it is only available to some emails you sent recently. For simplicity, we can resend the email again. For example, we want to resend the one with message subject tired of chasing clients? No problems. After that, enter the credits you want to send to. If there are no problems, you can click on Send button to continue. Viral Mailer will check your email as well as your URL for any possible issues. If you see all green on the left, then it is safe to go by clicking Confirm button, otherwise you better to go back to check again, then fix the errors and send it again. Finally, you can wait until your mailing has been sent to other members, as it takes time and this process will do it in the background. Currently, all new Viral Fox Ads members can enjoy welcome bonus of 1,000 credits, 1,000 banner ads and 1,000 text ads for beginning. If you want to have more welcome bonus for beginning, I have good news for those who have interest to join. What you need to do is simply leave the message below. The message should be related to why do you want to use Viral Mailer. After you joined, and provide your YouTube username, which leave the answer by contact us. Then you can have more than usual welcome bonus after checking and verifying your Viral Fox Ads account. Everyone can do that, right? Another Viral Mailer example we want to show you is list surfing. If you want to send mailings in list surfing, Go to Ads, then click on Send Email Ad. Same as our Team Viral Fox ads, you should provide email subject, text message, and website URL you want to promote when sending email to other members. If you want to save time, you either can select the email from your mailing history, then you don't need to enter these stuffs from scratch. For example, we want to send the email with email subject, the secret to sending emails faster and smarter. Once you select it, the other data will be populated automatically. Also, you can check the email subject, text message, and website URL to see whether there is any errors. But I will not show you by sending the email for list surfing, because I'm using Traffic Zipper, the most powerful autopilot feature. That means Traffic Zipper will handle for me and send emails in fully automated mode. That's why you can see the website URL showed is under Traffic Zipper domain. In the beginning you can send one by one. But when you have lots of viral mailers, it consumes you too much time to send emails. We will discuss about Traffic Zipper in another video. If you have interest, you also can grab your Traffic Zipper copy in the link description below. The other viral mailer example I want to show you is Listavail. Within Listavail, we can send mailings to other members easily. Move the cursor to email, then click Send Email. Same as other viral mailer, we need to enter email subject, message content, and website URL. With Listavail, we are able to test the website URL whether there is issue before sending. It is really important because some viral mailers don't allow URL with iframe disabled. If the testing URL is okay, then we can send the email safely without problems. In fact, there are many viral mailers we can use. The operation of sending email is similar. So you can try these viral mailers to see which one you like and suitable to your marketing requirement. If you have interest to use viral mailers and include it in your marketing strategy, you can grab your account of different viral mailers in our team resource page in the link description below. Friends, we just show you how to send email with viral mailer. Now it's time to promote our Leads Leap Coup link with viral mailer. Go to a Coup earnings, then highlighting the Leads Leap Coup link and copy it. Then go to your favorite viral mailer. For example, Viral Fox ads. Click on a send mailing, then enter your message subject, message body, and site URL. For site URL, you can copy and paste the Leads Leap Coup link we copied before. Also, don't forget to enter the credits you want to send. When everything are okay, finally click on send button at the bottom. At this moment, waiting for some seconds until the checking of your email are finished without any issues. If you see that it shows all green on the left, then congratulations. You are ready to send your first viral mailer email by clicking confirmation button. Then what you need to do now is to send emails in different viral mailers for your Leads Leap Coup link. The more emails you can send, the more traffic you can get for your Coup link. Now we can go back to Leads Leap and let me show you some statistics on Leads Leap Coup earning. If you remember in last video, we show you the Leads Leap Coup earning history with Traffic Exchange. The process is the same for viral mailers. In case if there are some viral mailers members who click on your Leads Leap Coup link for more than 5 seconds, then you will see an entry in 3-day Coup link visit sources. In marketing world, there are many kinds of traffic source, but we only introduce you Traffic Exchange and viral mailer. If you promote your Leads Leap Coup link with these two traffic sources, you expected your statistics will be populated with them normally. As we mentioned in last video, a valid visit is regarded as only real visitors who stay and surf your website for at least 5 seconds. So if you want more traffic to reach your Leads Leap Coup link, you can leverage by different Traffic Exchange and viral mailer sites at the same time. Let me give you some earning estimation for viral mailers. For example, for each viral mailer site, you can send 500 emails to its members. This number varies, sometimes it may be more or less. But for estimation, we take 500 as baseline for easy estimation. The case is different from viral mailers, because not all members will open and click your emails at the same day of your sending. So you need to monitor your Leads Leap Coup statistics to keep track the traffic. Even for the same email you sent to viral mailers, the members who receive are different each time, because viral mailers will send to their members randomly. That's why we need to do it consistently with patience. If your marketing strategy is to earn Leads Leap Coop, it is possible to earn up to amount to cover monthly cost for Leads Leap Pro membership. Friends, we show you how to earn with Leads Leap Coop by Viral Mailer. Together with last video we learn how to earn with Leads Leap Coop by two methods. One is traffic exchange and other is Viral Mailer. Now you can try to use these traffic source to increase your earnings easily. If you think this video is useful to elevate your marketing success, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, then you may not miss any videos like this one. If you want to learn how to promote Leads Leap with banner ads, don't miss our next video. Don't underestimate the power of visualized advertising. I'm Daisy. See you all in the next video.